everyone, welcome back to my channel again. I actually, in an earlier video, I showed you how to work with roses. Another part of my centerpieces that I'm going to do has hydrangeas in them. And I got these hydrangea, 3 of them for $5.99 at Trader Joe's. Unfortunately, when I came home, 2 of them, or mainly one of them, is wilting quite a bit. So you can see here. It's just very, it's just wilting, it's ugly. So it's very thirsty. Hydrangeas are very thirsty flowers. And so I want to show you today a technique, how I like to rejuvenate them or rehydrate them. I mean, you'll see sometimes like when you get hydrangea shipped in boxes to you, they might be thirsty for a day, 2 days, sometimes 5 days. There is an easy way for you to actually rehydrate them overnight to get them to look like this one. Very strong and steady and hydrated. So what I'm going to show you now is how I like to rehydrate my hydrangeas. So something you can do is take one of your buckets and make sure that your bucket is filled with water. So what I like to do is just fill it all the way up, or as much as I can, with water. And what I'm actually going to do is submerge, heads down, all the way in, my hydrangea, and leave it for about 24 hours or so. And once you pull them out, they will be rehydrated. And I'll film the last part of this clip tomorrow and combine them so that you can see the before and after. So what I'm just going to do here is submerge this one. Okay. Just let it go in here. And what am I just going to do is cut this again, just to make sure that it has some room to get the water to soak up. Okay, so it's completely soaked in water. I'm also actually going to rehydrate this one because it's kind of wilting as well. So let's drop this one in. Okay, and then just gonna cut it here. And then for this one, it's doing pretty well, and so I'm probably not going to submerge this one and keep it separated, so I can show you the comparison between the one that I'm dipping in here and how it will look tomorrow. So I will go ahead and actually just I'll probably have it sitting in here with the spray roses, so we'll just leave it in here overnight. Yeah, pretty much that's it. It's soaked in here, and so I will show you tomorrow how it looks when it's rejuvenated. Thank you. Hi, welcome back again. So I left this bucket of hydrangeas, the wilted one from last night. It's been about 9 to 10 hours now, probably 10 hours at this point when I'm filming. And I want to show you the hydrangea and see if they rehydrated. So these are the same one that I showed you yesterday. I'm just going to take it out here, and here you go. I mean, look at the difference. It's rehydrated, it's fluffy, it's I mean, they pretty much drank a lot of water. So it's pretty amazing to me how this worked. Literally, you just dip it in a bath of water. There's no need for flower food or anything of that sort, just some cool water, and they come back to life. So here's one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in a different bucket for now. And then here is the second one. Just trying to get the water out. And there you go. They're rehydrated, beautiful. And again, if it starts to wilt again, you can do this bath water. You can probably do these a few times. I've never done them a second time just because I do this for weddings and things of that sort, just to rejuvenate them after I get them from the wholesaler or whatnot. Again, these were pretty wilted yesterday. As you can see the before and after. I'll put a video for the before and after at the end here, and they are back to life. So a great trick, pretty quick. It probably will take like only 3 to 4 hours, but I left it overnight to about 9 to 10 hours just in case. Again, a great way to rehydrate your hydrangea. So I hope that you found this video helpful and this process helpful, and welcome back to another video for how to with honey sugar florals, and I look forward to other videos with you. Thank you. Bye-bye.